The only reason I could think that this bird might be here is because he wanted to add some tempo to the wind chimes and the crunching of the building ice on the river. I came to that conclusion because he chose a hollow box in the form of that bat house, which has maximum resonance for his drumming. Grand River. She's icing up. Those are our yard Canadians. We got the sparrow family in the brush. Sometimes there's about 50 of them in there. And it's pileated. Oh, it just went around the side.